Good morning, everyone. We're off to a damp start here. Temperatures in the lower 40s. We have scattered showers around. We'll see a few showers around as we go throughout the day here. Looking at the forecast radar, the showers will be very hit and miss as we go deeper on through the morning here. Isolated shower chances will continue all the way through about 3 p.m. today. And then we should be mainly dry as we go into the evening. And again, it's not going to rain all day. There will be a few showers off and on today, but more clouds than sunshine, and temperatures only into the mid-40s. Tomorrow also only in the mid-40s. Should see a little more sunshine tomorrow. Partly cloudy overall. It's going to be breezy though. Wind gust up to 30 miles per hour on Friday. So it will make it feel a little bit colder. Now we are still looking at a very nice day Saturday. We should see lots of sunshine Saturday with temperatures near 50. Not much wind out there either. Our next system will come in late Sunday and into Monday. It looks like we'll see a few showers Sunday afternoon. But again, we'll get plenty of dry weather on Sunday before that system arrives. And then Sunday night and Monday morning, the most likely time frame for some rain. We'll see temperatures peaking out into the about 57 degrees Sunday, 51 and falling on Monday, and then only into the mid-40s on Tuesday. But we should get back to some nice sunshine by Tuesday of next week. And we should start to see a warming trend by the later portion of next week. Mid-50s by Wednesday. And I think we're going to be in the 60s by next Thursday. So thanks for checking out this update. I hope you guys have a great Thursday.